Here we have a 1974 Chevrolet Corvette T-top coupe. This car just came into us on trade, just exactly the way you see it, and it is sharp, sharp, sharp. Best part about this car, this is a numbers matching 454 big block car with an automatic transmission and factory AC, power steering and brakes as well. And boy, you want to talk about one that's going to turn some heads? This is it. It's got the nice rally wheels on it, good rubber, white letter tires set it off, and is certainly period correct. Couldn't get out of the 70s without the luggage rack, right? T-top car, again, of course, as these all were. 1974 was the last year you could get the big block from the factory. And this is a great example of one. Very nice car, but not so perfect that you can't drive it. Does have power windows as well. Odometer reads 68,500 approximately. Does have a different radio in it from original. I'll show you there. Again, the paint, as you can see, looks very nice. There are a few little flaws in it. I don't know if I can get the camera to pick it up, but if you watch closely, the reflection in the hood right there, you can see there's some little flaws. Again, as you can see, you got to get it just in the right light in order to see it, but we want to let all you guys know that it is there, so you won't be disappointed when you get the car. We'll go ahead and start it up here in a little bit. See, the tach does work. The rest of the gauges are checking up as well. Open the hood. As I mentioned, this number's matching 454 big block. There's your power brake booster, air conditioning. Still has the shield out there over the distributor. See, the compressor is spinning free there. Oh, walk around the back side. While we're going around the back, did I mention this is numbers matching? Anyways, excellent car, ready for the summer cruise-ins. You can see all the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Trades are considered, and financing is available as well.